Hi friends, today's video is all about how you can use your real estate knowledge for best retirements. Yes, you heard it right. If you want to know about the best retirement plan so that you can get a regular recurring income, you can use a proper knowledge of real estate industry and you can create various sources, various passive income sources. What are they? Hi, I'm Dr. Amol Morar, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and entrepreneur, and I welcome you to Real Estate University. And in this video, I'll tell you a step-by-step process that how you can make a wonderful passive income through your real estate and you can use it as a retirement plan. Number one step is buy a flat and rent it out. Yes, you heard it right. You have to take a decision to buy a flat at a place where you can get a good amount of rental income. I'm not saying that you have to compare the income of your flat with the income of a commercial property. In commercial property, the rental yield is about 7% to 9%, but in flat, generally it is 2% to 3%. But if you're getting an opportunity, if you have a knowledge, and if you're getting a flat in which you can get at least 3 to 4% of the rental return, that flat will give you a wonderful passive income in future. So after 5 years or 10 years, whenever you want it, you can rent it out and you can earn a good rental income that can act out as your retirement income. Second is buy a commercial property and rent it out. Now, if you want to earn more, if you want to earn higher percentage of return, then commercial property is the best option. You can buy a shop or you can buy an office floor and buy at a place where there is more demand of commercial property so that leasing it out is easy for you. Because the most difficult task here is people are not able to lease out their property. So if your property is at a place where there is a demand of commercial shop or property, and in that case you can get easily 6% to 8% kind of returns from your shop, and that rent is very important for you as your retirement plan because you get it every month, you get it on time. So friends, if you have watched till point number 2, before watching point number 3, I want to say hit on subscribe button and bell icon. We don't want you to miss practical videos like this in future as well. We are coming up with series of wonderful videos in real estate, and for that you have to subscribe. You have to hit on subscribe button and bell icon, and do hit on like button. Your like gives more energy and inspiration to our team. Point number 3, buy a plot and sell after 10 years. How this can be a retirement plan, I'll explain you. If suppose you know how to identify right location where you can get good returns, at least 15%, 20% a year. In that case, in the next 5 years, your plot's cost can get doubled. If you have invested 50 lakhs and after 9 years and 10 years, the cost of your property is 1.35 crore, for example, you are getting an average 14%, 15%, 16% based on the quality of your knowledge, based on the quality of the selection, what you do related with buying a plot. In that case, after selling that plot, you have got at least 80-85 lakhs returns, extra profit. You can reinvest that profit in one of the shop or one of the flat and give it on rent, and you can use the remaining amount for investing in mutual funds or FDs or anywhere where you get a liquidity return as well, or in stocks. So just one property can give you another property after 10 years which you can give on rent, and you can utilize the other amount. If suppose out of 1.35 crore you have invested 80 lakhs in a good flat where you can get a good rental income, that's 50,000 you can have an investment in different baskets like mutual funds, stocks and various other places from where you can get a good return. Fourth, buy a pre-leased property. This is very important. This concept is very famous for getting a good retirement income. If suppose a particular property is already being leased out for 10 years, 20 years to a particular branch. Suppose, for example, a bank is operating from a particular place, 1,500 square feet space, and the rent of the bank is 2.5 lakh per month, and you are getting the property at 3 crore, for example, or 2.5 crore. It is very good to take the decision to buy that particular space which is already pre-leased, because now here you don't have to search for a tenant or you don't have to search for a corporate leasing company. So pre-leased property, most of the people were buying for a good rental income, and you can convert it into your favorite retirement plan. Point number 5, buy a second home and villa in a good location. If you are buying, because nowadays the demand for the second home villas is increasing, if you are buying a good villa or a second home in a well-maintained project where there is very good facilities, amenities, then you can rent it out and you can earn a good retirement income or a good income that you can utilize again and again for your lifestyle and for living your the life of your demand. All these 5 things are research based, proven. Most of the people were trying it. If you really want to enjoy your real estate income as a retirement plan kind of income, you can do anything out of this. Do comment below that which point out of 5 you liked it a lot. Do comment that if you want us to make video on some other topic, do inform us in the comment box. If you are not subscribed our channel, hit on subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you so much for making a book Real Estate Game Changer national bestseller book and making our channel a leading channel.